Today we're going to look at the robust universal iPad cradle. You might notice that it comes in a big old bag of parts like you see here, and it doesn't have any instructions. So we're going to show you how to put this thing together. If you take all the parts out of the bag and lay them out, this is what you'll find. You'll have a back piece, 4 large arms, 4 small arms, and 2 medium arms. There's some bolts and also some plugs that go along with this cradle. Now, depending on which iPad you're going to mount is going to dictate how you put these things together and which arms you're going to use. I'm going to start by showing you how to use or set this up for a larger iPad to hold it. This is a iPad 2017 edition, so it's a 9.7 inch, one of the larger iPads out there. We'll just put that off to the side. And for this iPad, I'm going to mount it to the sides, not to the tops or the ends, but rather to the middle. To do that, I'm going to take the back plate and use these 4 small arms and just slide them on. You'll see there's channels on each side, and the arms just slide in. Once you have it all together, insert your iPad, push down, and the spring in the back piece keeps the friction on the iPad and hold it in there. You notice this iPad also has a big case on it. That's one of the neat things about the robust universal mounts is no matter if you have a case or not, they'll just always work. It also works for other sizes of iPads. So this is a larger iPad, 9.7 inch. I also have a mini here that I could use with the same setup. But you see if I put it in there right now, it's really tight to get in. You'll see how far that spring is extended. It'll hold a mini without a case with these arms, but it's not the preferred method. I like to take the 2 arms off one side, the small arms, and replace those with the bigger arms. This makes the mini real easy to get in and out, and still holds it very well. Once you have your arms in, these little plugs can be inserted into the channel to give it a nice finished look and also keep these from accidentally sliding out when it's in your bag.